Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable Mrs. Nikmatuniaya as a lecturer of research methodology and the viewers of this presentation. I'm Sheila Febriana from Accounting A, and today I'd like to present about my proposal with the title is Analysis of Financial Performance in the Budget Realization Report at Pedurungan District for 2021 to 2024. I'll start by explaining the first chapter about introduction. There is background. The preparation of government financial reports, including budget realization reports, must refer to government accounting standards. Government accounting standards regulate how income, expenditure, assets, liabilities, and equity are recognized and presented in financial reports. The Budget Realization Report is a report that compares the budget that has been set with the realization achieved. This report is used to evaluate the government's performance and accountability in managing regional finance. To analyze this report, the 3E indicators, which is economy, efficiency, and effectiveness, are used. In this research, the object of analysis regarding the budget realization report is the Pedurungan District Office as one of the regional instruments that complies financial performance regarding regional income and expenditure. And then, formulation of the problem. The first one is, how is the financial performance of Pedurungan District in optimizing use of income and expenditure budgets in the realization budget for 2021 to 2024? And then how to analyze expenditure harmony and expenditure efficiency ratios in the Pedurungan District? And the last one is, what are the conclusions from the analysis of the harmony and efficiency of spending? And then research of objectives. By knowing the financial performance of Pedurungan District, optimizing the use of income and expenditure budgets in the Budget Realization Report for 2021 to 2024 seen from the Effectiveness Ratio (PAD). And then knowing the expenditure performance seen from the Expenditure Efficiency Ratio. And the last one is conclude the result of the analysis of financial performance. The last one from chapter 1 is benefits of research. In carrying out this research, it is hoped that students will be able to add new insight into financial performance, namely budget and expenditure in Pedurungan District, which includes the effectiveness of PAD revenue, budget efficiency, harmony of spending, and financial optimization regions in the Budget Realization Report in the Pedurungan District. And it is hoped that this research can provide input and improve effectiveness and efficiency regarding the realization of the budget that you want to apply to support the optimization of budget use, so that financial performance can be accounted for by Pedurungan District. The last one is, it is hoped that it will provide information and can be a reference of knowledge for students that will conduct research in government agencies areas such as Pedurungan District. The next researcher is special for accounting students at Semarang State of Polytechnic. In the chapter 2, there is literature review. The first one is public sector accounting. According to Bastian Indra in 2010, public sector accounting is defined as technical mechanisms and accounting analysis applied to fund management community in high state institutions and in department those under it, regional governments, and state-owned enterprises or BUMN. According to Majid Jamaluddin in 2019, the objectives of public sector accounting are follow provider of information on management control and accountability. And then budget realization report. Based on Republic Indonesia Government Regulation number 71 of 2010 regarding government accounting standard, Budget Realization Report presents an overview of the sources, allocation, and use of financial resources managed by the central or regional government, which illustrates the comparison between budget and its realization in one reporting period. The elements contained in Budget Realization Report, namely LRA income, expenditure, transfers, and financing. And the last one is Regional Government Financial Performance. According to Poyo et al. At 2017, regional government's financial performance is the ability of a region to explore and manage financial resources native to the region in meeting their needs to support the running of the system government, services to community and regional development. And the analysis of regional financial performance is by calculate of two ratio. The first one is revenue effectiveness ratio, and the second one is spending efficiency ratio. Revenue effectiveness ratio can state the village government's ability to realize its regional original income or PAD compared with the target to be set based on real potential. And spending efficiency ratio is used to measure the level of savings in a budget made by government. And the last chapter is about research methodology. According to Sugiono, in 2019, research methods are a scientific way to obtain data with specific purposes and uses. There are two types data based on the characteristic. The first one is qualitative data. In this research, qualitative data will be used in this final assignment regarding vision and mission, history standing, organizational structure, and staffing areas in the Pedurungan district. And then quantitative data. In this final research project, the quantitative data used in financial performance in the form of budget realization and expenditure in Pedurungan district. And then data types based on the sources. There are two data types. The first one is primary data and then secondary data. The primary data that will be used in the result of interviews with the head and the parts in Pedurungan district regarding profiles as well as structuring in Pedurungan district. Meanwhile, secondary data is used in the assignment at the end is the income and expenditure budget realization report Pedurungan district from 2021 to 2024. And the last one is method of collecting data, about documentation of data to be analyzed and interviews with related apparatus in Pedurungan district. That's all about my presentation. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.